Something like that. Blah, 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 blah. Hello, sir. Hello, and welcome back to another motor vlog of MindlessJoy, MJ, however you want to call it. I was driving today with my two motor buddies. Was nice, was fun. Weather turned shit. Went home, edited a video, uploaded, and when I looked outside, I saw my darling waiting for me. And when I looked in the sky, it was like this. It was beautiful. And I thought to myself, I have to go get groceries. I need a reason. Right now, I need a reason. For the motorcyclist! Creep mode, come on. Yeah. So here I am, I went to the grocery shop and I have some goodies for my own well-being. A salad, something veggie burger, whatever. Really good. Love it. Love it. Now I'm on my way to a gas station to fill this baby up again. Some sex juice, how some of you call it. I call it the amazing juice, the joy juice, whatever. So that's good. It's all nice. Where'd it go? Where did you go? Come on. Ah, what the hell. Where am I going? I'm going to go straight. I'm just going to go straight because I can. And it's good. So far I'm hoping you guys like the videos I make. I try not to put a lot of stuff in because, yeah, I like it a bit raw. Right now we're riding in Phonetick, beautiful city. You know, come to think of it, my hometown is quite small. It's quite small. It's just like 10 minutes from one side to the other, maximum. Maximum. That's not big or huge at all. So I also go a lot towards Delft and flooding, of course. Went to my slides and for lunch just this morning at 9 o'clock in the morning. It was great. It was great. It was awesome. It was good. What are you doing, sir? Yeah. Uh-huh. So I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. I have to work tomorrow, so I can put gas in this baby. I love my baby. I don't know what he's doing, but I like to be behind him. I cannot overtake him. Whatever. Ooh. Toxic waste. Maybe, I don't know. What is that? It's a smart. Oh, you're so smart. Yeah. Very nice. Chill mode activated. Oh, the three guys where I was, or the two guys which I was riding with, have also got lessons from my teacher, so that was pretty cool. I hope he gets to see the video soon. Enjoy the joy! Yeah! Oh, butthole. Oops. I'm thinking I'm gonna go left. I'm gonna go left. Yes, I am. Damn! I love it. Oh, here we go. 1, 2. Right on the line. Right on the goddamn line. I don't know why I was looking, but I'm glad he's gone. I'm so glad he's gone. Or maybe because I have a video camera, action cam, the Tom Tom Bandit. Hey dude, you're a Tom Tom Bandit. You're my bandit. What you gonna do, huh? I'm free. It's nice. It's awesome. Huh, cops, very nice. La 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 la. Shall we wave through cops? Of course, why not? Very nice. I wave through cops. La 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 la. See you later. See ya when I see ya. Yeah! Yeah, I'm waiting! Can I go? Please! Who honked the horn? Who honked the damn horn? Was it you? Ah, I can go. See you later. No cyclist. There are none. Very nice. Yeah! Arr! Turn. There's a turn. Very nice. Ooh! I'm getting good at this! Go first for it. Now you use your blinker. Very nice. Elegant. Very elegant now. Very good. Oh, it's a woman! Hello, woman! How you doing? Jean-Pierre female! Right here. But you're not getting my wiener because I already have a woman. I'm sitting right on top of her right now. I'm not choking her, no. I'm gassing. Hello, uncle! Amigo! Amigo, how you doing? Hello! It's my uncle's friend. He's gonna get a new one in about 2-3 days. What will you do? Very exciting moment. Very nice. Should I get thumbs up? Yeah, no. Should I just... Yeah, I'm gonna stay in second gear. I'm just gonna stay. Nothing to worry about. There's nothing behind... Oh, now there is something behind me, eventually. Yeah! Whoa, that is slow. Woo! You were doing... I saw your hand. What were you doing? Oh! If you're driving, you should drive. You shouldn't do anything else. Here it comes. Ah, seriously, man. You have an ashtray in your car, man. What do you think? You're gonna just like ash outside? There's no stink? There's no stink in the vehicle? Ah. It's... My mom has one just like it. Only looks better than yours. Ah. Where does that go? Yeah. Seconds the left one. Click, click. How you doing? Playing soccer. They're playing soccer. What a sport. I'd rather go motorcycling. That's my sport. I lose weight when I'm driving. So technically, I'm fitnessing. Keeping the bike steady takes a lot of energy. That's why I have to go get groceries, because my energy levels are so low after riding. And that's why I need salad and vegan burger and a beer. Of course, a blonde one. I love blondes. I love blondes. I just want to take them and it's like, ah! Oh, you're so happy. I know. You're telling me you're so happy. You're so happy. We're driving all day. Whenever we're not working, what are we doing? We're driving. We're driving very, 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 very long. Woohoo! Doing the thing. Doing the thing. Yeah. Is that dog? Is that dog? No. Yeah. Yeah, that's... I'm fixating. Target fixation right there. Toby! Ruff! Ruff! Saw some Bob Shire just like chill mode. No. F you, buddy. Ya la 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 la. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna take it slow, relax. You look where you wanna go, nothing else. La 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 la. Take the left turn! Woo! Here we go, boys. Here we go. Cars are slow. Bikes are faster. Take a bike. Buy it. Do it. Take a Honda. Whatever you want. I don't really care. As long as it's a bike, you're going to be so happy. I'm going to 60 already. I'm not going to... That car's so fast. But I'm faster if I want to. Am I? No. You know why? Because they flash me if I go fast. They're like, ah! You can't go. You went 5 miles too fast. Here. You have a receipt for a 5 miles over is like, I believe, 55 euros if I go 5 miles faster than the allowed speed. Oh, God. I love to ride. Tell my mother I love to ride. Tell my dad I love to ride. My dad owns my own, my old 50cc scooter shifting moped. Woo! Yeah! How you doing? Yeah, come on, baby. I'm doing the thing again. Yeah, because I can. It's good. Look at that. I'm busy with everything else. No! The pigeon! May you rest in peace, dear animal. Oh, orange light. God damn! Yeah! It's time to go and roll the dice. No, I'm not going to roll the dice because then maybe I'll... Oh, my ass! I love it. It hurts. Not that bad. Because I have a cushion on my ass. Ah! A little kid, it's a little kid! Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing?